Welcome to this 10 minutes guided meditation. In this meditation, we will rest our attention on our breathing to stay connected with the present moment. So let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either lying down or sitting. If you are sitting, try maintaining your back straight, but let your body be relaxed. We will start by taking 3 full breaths. So on the next inhale, breathing in deeply and breathing out slowly. Again, a long deep inhale and a slow exhale. And one more time, a long deep inhale, filling up the lungs. And a slow exhale. Coming back to a natural breathing rhythm, let us rest our attention on our breathing. So as you are breathing in and out, notice where in your body you feel your breathing the most clearly. For some, that can be the tip of their nose. For others, it can be the rising and falling of their chest or their abdomen. So wherever you can vividly feel your breathing, rest your attention there. And notice the air coming in and out of your body. It can be helpful to label your in-breath in and to label your out-breath out. So in and out. In and out. In and out. If your mind starts to drift away from your breathing, simply notice where it went and gently bring your attention back to your breathing, using your breath as an anchor, as a home base for your attention. In the next part of this meditation, we will follow our in-breath all the way through and follow our out-breath all the way through. What that means is, as you are breathing in, notice when your in-breath begins and when it ends. The same for your out-breath. Notice when it begins. Maintain your mindfulness on your out-breath all the way through until it ends. And maybe you will be able to notice the little spaces between your in-breath and out-breath. So let us practice this for now. In this exercise, try not controlling your breathing. Let it be as natural as possible. And finally, we let go of our attention on our breathing, and we bring our attention instead to our body. So on the next inhale, breathing in, we become aware of our body, and breathing out, we release the tensions in our body. So as you are breathing in, notice any sensations in your body or the lack of sensations in your body. And on the exhale, letting go of the tensions in your body, relaxing the body. If you have any tensions, if you notice any tensions, try bringing your in-breath and out-breath to this area of your body. On your in-breath, becoming aware of the tensions, and on the out-breath, releasing the tensions. Another way of practicing this exercise is to smile to your body. Breathing in, I am aware of my body. And breathing out, I smile to my body. My body supports me every day throughout all the activities that I do. I am grateful for having a healthy body. And as we are coming to an end, let go of your attention of your body and breath, and simply rest in the present moment. Notice what it is like. Maybe there is a sense of relaxation, of inner peace, maybe not. Coming to an end, taking a long in breath and a slow out breath. Another one, a long inhale and a slow exhale. And one more time, a long inhale and a slow exhale. And when you are ready, you can gently open your eyes. Thank you for your practice.